came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright.
So I'm going to start by adding oil, because I'm going to be frying the meat that I'm using. So my meat is frying here. In here I have goat meat and beef. Yeah, I steamed them yesterday night. So our Shaki is ready. So let me know in the comment section if you fry your Shaki. So I'm going to be adding some salt. Yeah, some salt and 2 seasoning cubes. So this is my peppermint. So I will just cover and allow this to fry before I add my tomatoes. So guys, our peppermints have been frying, so it's time to just add my tomatoes. Yeah, I boiled these tomatoes yesterday. This is just tomatoes. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that. Normally stew is ready, but just that it's spinach, so I have to add the spinach to it. But if you are just cooking plain stew, your stew is ready. You just have to cover it and cook and add your meat. So let's cover it. So guys, our stew have been cooking. This is what it's looking like. So I'm just going to have the Shaki. I'm going to add the Shaki first. Okay, I'm just leaving some meat. Okay. Time to add our spinach. So this is our spinach. So guys, I'm using frozen spinach. I just defrost it and I cut it into tiny bits. I just don't want it to be just spinach, you understand, like normal leaf stew. I just want there to be tomatoes and also spinach. So if not, I would have used like 2 packets of spinach. So this is 1 packet. So that's our stew, looking so red and beautiful. So I'm just going to cover it and allow to cook the final cooking. So it's time to add the rest of the fried meats. Yeah, this is goat meat and beef. I basically made this stew with just 3 different meats: goat meat, beef, and Shaki. I wanted to have fish, but I realized there will be too much protein inside, and I love my stew. I like to be seeing stew. I don't like when meat just take over the stew like that, you know. So take a look at that goodness. Look how beautiful that is. So I'm going to cover it and allow it to simmer a little bit. Then our stew is good as ready. Yeah, it's basically ready because I don't want to overcook the spinach, but I just want to let it simmer with the meat. So guys, at this stage our stew is ready. Okay, I added the remaining meat stock to it because I don't want it to be too thick, and I also added some curry powder, some paprika powder, and also thyme. That's the only spices I added. Yes, I did that off camera because my battery died. Yeah, my camera battery died. So this is our stew. This is what it's looking like. Just take a look at that. So at this stage, guys, our stew is ready. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this stew. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, okay, if you like what you see.